Hello dear friend, wish you happy Independence Day. Today we want to say A to Z freedom fighters name. A for Abdul Kalam Azad, B for Bala Gangadhar Tilak, C for Chandrasekhar Azad, E for Dada Bhai Nauroji, E for Ishwar Chanda Vidyasagar, F for Firozshah Mehta, G for Gopala Krishna Gokhale, H for Edgaver, I for Indira Gandhi, J for Jawaharlal Nehru, K for Kasturba Gandhi, L for Lala Lajpat Rai, M for Mahatma Gandhi ji, M for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, O for P for Pandit